Welcome to the open house Bluewater Day at 𝐀𝐩𝐫𝐢𝐥 Yachts.
So my name's Abby, I work for GNS Bass. We make galley systems and electric, particularly induction cookers for boats. We've come here today because we work often with contests. We supply a lot of the galley equipment for you, and it's a really good opportunity to meet your customers, new potential customers, and see the team and just, see what's going on at the yard.
I'm Will, I'm from 𝐀𝐩𝐫𝐢𝐥 Yachts UK. I'm here with some clients today, showing them around this factory. We've got some great weather and a great atmosphere.
Well, my name is Pepijn Daniels. I'm from Viva Fabrics. I'm the representative for 𝐀𝐻𝐫𝐢𝐥 Yachts, and the atmosphere is really good today. We've spoken to a lot of interesting people. They're very interested in our fabrics, but obviously also in the yachts 𝐀𝐻𝐫𝐢𝐥 is building. So great atmosphere, great people, and we're really happy to be here once again.